All right, let's talk about one of the most powerful but maybe least understood features of the cloud. It's called manageability. And honestly, it's the secret ingredient that turns crazy, complex technology into a tool that's simple, powerful, and, well, almost effortless. So let's dive in. I mean, just stop and think about that for a second. What if the systems you rely on every single day could just handle things? Scale up automatically when you get busy, heal themselves when something breaks, and even warn you before a problem happens. It sounds a little like sci-fi, right? But it's way closer to reality than you might think. And the answer to that question, the real key to making it all feel so effortless, is what I like to call the cloud's true superpower. It's manageability. So what is it exactly? Well, put simply, cloud manageability is this amazing combination of two things. First, you have the cloud's ability to automatically watch over itself. And second, you have the powerful tools it gives you to steer the ship. It's all about making this incredibly complex infrastructure feel surprisingly simple to handle. But here's the thing, manageability isn't just one concept. To really get it, you have to understand that it has two very distinct but equally important sides to it. And here they are. On one side, you have management of the cloud. Just think of this as all the built-in automation. And on the other side, you have management in the cloud. These are the controls you use to tell that automation what to do. Let's break down that first one. Okay, first up, management of the cloud. This is all about the magic that happens behind the scenes. It's all the smart, automated work the cloud platform is doing for you, often without you even having to lift a finger. To make this super clear, let's use an analogy. Imagine your whole cloud environment is like a futuristic smart kitchen. Management of the cloud is everything this kitchen does automatically to make your life a whole lot easier. So think about it this way. You need a new server? Instead of building it piece by piece, you just use a template. Boom, it's done. Kind of like the kitchen using a preset recipe. Expecting a huge dinner party? No problem. The kitchen just automatically orders more ingredients to handle the extra load. And the whole time, it's constantly checking the oven temperatures, the fridge status, and it'll even shoot you an alert if the milk is about to go bad. That's the automation doing the heavy lifting for you. Okay, so you've got this incredible automated kitchen. But what about the chef? Well, that's you. And that brings us to the second piece, management in the cloud. This is all about how you take command of that powerful system and tell it exactly what you want it to do. Yep, this is the chef's control panel. Because a smart kitchen is pretty useless if the chef can't tell it, hey, bake a cake at 350 degrees, or preheat the grill right now. These are the controls that put you in charge. And you've got a whole suite of tools to do it. You can use a visual web portal, just click around and configure things easily. Or if you want speed and you're comfortable with scripting, you can use the command line or the CLI to just type out commands. You can even have your own apps talk directly to the cloud using APIs. And for really heavy-duty automation, there are super powerful tools like PowerShell. The point is, you get to choose the right tool for whatever job you're doing. Okay, so we've seen the two sides of the coin, the system's own automation and the controls that you use to direct it. So now let's put it all together and see how this combination creates something really, really powerful. And here it is, all laid out side by side. On one side, you've got that brilliant automation, auto-scaling, template deployments, health monitoring, all of it, working for you 24/7. And on the other, you've got the precise controls, the portal, the command line, APIs, PowerShell, to aim all that automation. See? Neither side is really complete without the other. It's a true partnership. And that right there is the key takeaway. The magic isn't just in the cool automation, and it's not just in having a bunch of control panels. The real magic is in the partnership between them. It's a brilliant system that manages itself, but it's guided by your precise commands. That's the heart of cloud manageability. So we've broken it down. The cloud's superpower really has two core parts, the automation that works for you and the controls you use to direct it. The only question left is, now that you have this framework, now that you understand how to wield this power, what are you going to build with it?